boys and girls. It is a great day to do some math. And today we are going to be diving into the nitty-gritty of place value. And so this is something you guys practice a lot of, and you have your entire schooling. You've done place value in kindergarten, first and second grade, and it continues on in third grade, but it just kind of builds on each other every year that you go on. So I wanted to take the time to explain what your teachers mean when we say place value, when we say these words. And so to start off, I wanted to talk about one of the most important words in math language, and that word is digit. When you hear the word digit, this is what I mean. It says here, this is the definition of the word digit. It says a digit is used to write a whole number. So any number in the world, whether that be 23, 562, 1,904, you are building numbers using digits. And there's only 10 digits. Let me show you what they are. 0 is a digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Those are all digits. Now you combine digits to make numbers. But I just wanted to make sure that we all know what a digit is. Now if I say 23, 23 is not a digit, but a 2 and a 3 are digits. So these are the digits that we can choose from when we make big numbers or small numbers, whatever. The next word I want you to realize when we're talking about place value is what that second word value means. And the word value is actually how much each digit is worth. So if you're just talking about the number 2, that digit is worth 2 or 2 ones. But if that 2 is in a different place in the number, it might be worth 2 ones, it might be worth 20, it might be worth 200, it might be worth 2,000, it might be worth 200,000, 2 million, who really knows? So that's why it's important to know that the value is how much that digit is worth. And so place value is actually the value of a digit by its location in the number. So let me kind of exaggerate on that just a little bit. So in second grade, you guys actually went up to numbers that went up to the thousands place. And let me tell you what I mean. I mean, if you had blanks and you wrote whatever digit you want in those blanks, you should have, at the end of second grade, had something in the ones place. Just like when we add, subtract, we always start to the far right in the ones place, the number with the smallest value. Then we had the tens place. Then we had the hundreds place. Then we had the thousands place. And the biggest number you're probably used to seeing from second grade should have been 1,200. So for example, in 1,200, let me actually put that there on a Post-it. You would have 1,000, 2 in the hundreds place, and then just zeros in the tens and the ones place. And so when we talk about value of digits, this 2 in the hundreds place is not worth 2 ones or 2 tens, it's worth 200. So that means 200. That's its value. Or this 1 in the thousands place, its value is not 1. It's not worth 1. It's actually worth 1,000. And so this is the number you should have gone up to in second grade. But in third grade, we take it to 2 more levels. We go to the 10,000s and we go to the 100,000s. So we take our numbers way bigger. So instead of just being 1,200, we might have, let's say, write just a couple numbers down on my Post-its. We might have this number, and you would read this in word form as 641,200. So that's why it's so important for you to realize how big our numbers get so that you can be ready for that when we start making that jump to larger numbers. And then it's so important for you to also realize that all of these digits have a value. So the value of this 4 in the 10,000s place is not 4, not 40, not 400, not 4,000. It's actually worth 40,000 because it's in the 10,000s place. So we're going to do some more practice with this, but I just wanted you to see this and get your brain ready for what's going to be happening in the next couple days, and just realize that we're going to be working with numbers that are up to this big. In fact, we're going to be working with numbers that go up to 999,000. And so that's almost 1 million. You don't get to millions until 4th grade. But at 3rd grade, we go all the way up to the 100,000s place. So just get ready for that, and I will see you guys later.